In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage follow-ups on a deal in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. Staying on top of follow-ups is what keeps deals moving, and Pipedrive makes this quick once you know exactly where to go. We'll walk through adding a follow-up activity to a deal, and then show you where to monitor everything so nothing slips through the cracks. Start by heading to the Deals section on the left sidebar. This is your main pipeline view where all opportunities live. Opening deals gives you the big picture, but today we'll focus on a single deal that needs a follow-up. Next, open the specific deal you want to follow up on. This loads the deal's details page, where you can see the status, value, and people involved. Think of this page as the command center for that one opportunity. From here, we'll add the next action you need to take so it's documented and scheduled. On the deal page, look for the activity area and switch to the activity tab. This is where you add and view tasks tied to this deal. Choosing the Activity tab keeps your follow-ups connected to the opportunity, so everything stays organized and visible to your team. Now, enter your activity. Give it a clear title like Call to Review Proposal, and add helpful notes so you know exactly what to cover when the time comes. Pick the activity type that best fits your task, such as call, meeting, email, or follow-up, and choose a date and time that makes sense for your sales process. If reminders are available, set one that gives you enough lead time to prepare. The more specific you are here, the easier it will be to execute without second-guessing later. When you're happy with the details, save the activity so it's officially scheduled on the deal. After that, you can keep track of any activities on this deal in the history below. The history shows you what's been done and what's coming up, all in one place. You'll see past activities alongside upcoming ones, so you can quickly understand the full context and timing. Use this section to stay accountable, confirm that nothing is overdue, and ensure your next steps are always visible. If you work with teammates, this view also helps everyone stay aligned on what has happened and what's planned next. And that's all. By navigating to deals, opening the right opportunity, adding your activity in the Activity tab, and monitoring progress in the history, you'll manage follow-ups in Pipedrive with confidence and consistency.